exploring the sites around Wilmington. Running around one of Desiree's old neighborhoods right now because she wants to show you something kind of cool. One of those things you drive past all the time.
I just happened to walk in the neighborhood one time and was like, what the fuck? Wait a minute. Well, I don't understand what's going on here.
You see that? You see that? See what this is? It's a house. You see the chimney? It's an underground house. Yeah, can you imagine you're walking by what?
What's going on here? Where's this house at?
I mean, it's not a bad idea.
I don't know what the story is with the house, and apparently no one else around here knows either.
Really? You don't even know when it was built, or why would you do that?
Maybe they couldn't pay for it. I have no idea. Maybe it burnt down and they could only afford to replace part of the house.
Maybe it's just the basement of the house, the old house. Okay, Jay, who knows what it is? Are we in Delaware now? Yeah? Look at this, you guys. This is something you don't get in California. Pizza. You get pizza in California, but you don't get mac and cheese pizza. And this is jerk chicken. Ooh.
Yeah, Cafe Napoli.
Cafe Napoli. What's the city? We're in Wilmington. This is Wilmington? How much was this pizza, Desiree?
$6.
$6.
Oh, for 2 slices.
For two slices. And it's time for the official flavor review. How's your mac and cheese? The jerk chicken's it's got some nice spice. A little white sauce on there. I don't know what that is. This is, again, macaroni and cheese. It's exactly what you think. It tastes like macaroni and cheese on pizza. Okay, so we've had our pizza here at Cafe Napoli. Next time, Desiree wants to take me to what's over here. Can you see the name? Here, look at this. Oh, hey, before I forget, do me a favor, would you? Click the thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. And if you're so inclined, leave a comment. Tell me what I should see while I'm here in Delaware and Pennsylvania, the Philadelphia area. Oh, and I also almost forgot. Share this video with friends and family who you think might be interested in a little bit of hidden history. I don't know if I can, in good faith, go to this place. Fuck Cali? Fuck Cali?